Hello Pioneers, I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Stephanie.
And this is your Pioneer Report.
I'm out. You think I'm about to... I'm not watching this! Look!
Today we'll be going over highlight interviews, sports, and how-to.
First on the agenda is a highlight interview with David.
How long have you been here at Mount Whitney?
I've been here at Mount Whitney going on my 5th year. I came here from Charter Academy, which you guys know is an explosion school. When the position of campus supervisor opened up, I applied, they hired me, and here I am.
And what do you love about being here at Mount Whitney?
Working with all the staff, working with all the kids here as well. For a long time, I've been in this field for at least 25, close to 30 years. I've always had an admiration to work with kids. Because where I'm from, I've seen friends of mine growing up that didn't make it. And I think it was because of lack of leadership, lack of somebody being a mentor, and just trying to help them as best as they can.
How do you like your new position here?
It's challenging. It really is challenging. It's a lot of computer work, which it takes me away from being out there with the kids. But you know, I'm adapting. I am adapting to it.
And what does your job now entail?
Okay, I'm the intermediate. I'm the go-between between the students, there's me, and then there's the discipline, the APs, that do discipline. I'm the person that tries to keep students away from discipline. So say, for example, if you or Mary are going through something, I'm going to try to help you the best I can so that you won't act it out, but talk it out.
How'd you feel when you were offered the promotion? What was going through your head?
I was very excited. The first thing I did was, praise God, and then I called my wife, let her know that I did get the position. So I was very excited to have it. I've been wanting it for a couple of years now. I've applied and I never received it. What is it, 3 times the charm? So that was it.
Anything you want to say to the camera?
All I want to say is this, all the young ladies and young men, do the best you can in school. Be respectful to all your teachers and your peers. And if you're having a hard time, you guys have great instincts. You know who you can trust and who you cannot trust. So depend on your instincts.
Thank you, David, for joining us today, and we are so proud to have you as our behavioral intervention tech.
We're also very proud of our basketball team for being the Valley champions. In fact, here is a video of them.
I'm Justin Lee.
I'm Carter Glick.
I'm Aladesma.
And I'm Joyce Saavedra, and we're a part of the D2 Valley Championship team, and here's a video of us playing a game against each other.
shocked they won. Hey Steph, have you gotten pranked today? No, nobody has any good pranks anymore. Exactly, so here's some good pranks with Kenny and Stevie.
Hi, my name is Stevie Murrietta, and this is how to prank people. You see that bee, bro? It'll be quick. I just gotta tell you a joke, you know? Is it in frame?
Yeah.
Did you hear about the kidnapping in school?
What kidnapping in school?
He woke up. Do you get it or no?
I got it. Is that it?
Wait, did you get it or no?
I got it. I got it.
What do you mean?
The kidnapping in school. That means it's a student napping.
No, did you get it though?
Yes, I got it. All right, what's the punchline?
Wait, what do you mean?
Is there something else? Is there more to it? Nothing.
Stealing the teacher from you guys. Dude, I got David good.
Oh, with the prank?
Nope.
Yeah, sure.
Did you hear about the kidnapping at school?
No, what about it?
He woke up.
I've heard that one.
What do you mean?
I've heard that joke before.
Do you get it though?
I do get it, yeah. Hopefully he has good grades.
No, do you get it though? The joke.
Yeah, I get the joke.
Wait, what do you mean?
I don't know, what do you mean?
Do you get it or no?
Yes, I understand it.
What do you mean?
Close room?
Yeah.
What do you call a fake noodle?
A poodle.
An impasta.
It's good.
Do you get it or no?
I get it. Can I tell a joke?
What?
Can I tell a joke?
Yeah.
Your face.
What do you call a fake noodle?
I don't know.
An impasta. Do you get it or no?
I get it. It's not funny though.
What do you mean?
Like an imposter, an impasta.
Do you get it or no?
I get it. It's just not funny.
What do you mean?
I don't know. Like, it's not like a funny joke. Like, it's just like a joke you would laugh at because you feel bad.
Can you explain it to my teacher?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
Those were some pretty great pranks.
Yeah, they were. Hey, Steph, do you want some gum?
Sure.
Anyways, thank you for watching, and thank you to everyone who joined us today.
Make sure to follow all our social media so you don't miss out any episodes. Until next time,
This has been your Pioneer Report.